Okay, guys, I wanted to tell you about how I fixed a problem where I could not boot ESXi on my HP G9 server. It would not recognize the drive. So I'll give you the short version. Short version was I wrote the thumb drive, which I'm testing on my laptop right now. I wrote the thumb drive on Balena Etcher and it did not work properly. So I went ahead and rewrote it with a writing utility called Rufus, and Rufus immediately recognized that it was lacking uh, port, some entries. I can't remember what it said on the screen, but anyways, it even offered to download the file and insert it so to make it bootable. So I went ahead and wrote that, and here I'm testing it on uh, my old Dell laptop, and you can see here I'll go ahead and hit enter. I'm not going to install it on my laptop, but I just want to see if it would recognize it. So I went to the boot menu, and you can see, ta-da, it works. So anyways, it's functioning now. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off because I don't want to install it on this laptop. But that's a quick fix to get the thumb drive to boot on your HP server. Okay. Anyways, any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll do my best to help you guys. Bye.